guys. So today we are solving a Math GRE subject 9348, 9768, 68 form, 42 and 43. Okay, so maybe let me. Okay, so 42. This is an easy question that it gives you 3.8. Okay, so let me explain. So basically, it gives you any 3 points with A, B, C. I just randomly plot the 3 points. Okay, how many vertices D can form the parallelogram? Okay, so this is the old school problem. Alright, you can form the triangle. Then what? Then you can see there are 3 of them. Right, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. My plot is not very good, but basically, give any 3 points. You can construct 3 points to make it to the parallelogram. First one, basically second one, the third one. Okay, and you can also compute these 3 points. Right. Suppose you want to compute the coordinate of these points, then you just add these 2 and then minus this one. Basically this one. Okay, so it's similar. The answer is 3. So simple geometry problem. The answer is D. Okay, and 43 is also stupid. It tells A and B. A012 is 100, A3450 10. As about A is 6, 7, 8. So you don't have to solve it. You need to remember that A is a linear map. So what it means, if you can write 6, 7, 8 into linear combination of 0, 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5, then you can have a good answer. So I can write 6, 7, 8 as 6, 2 times 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically this is 6, 8, 10 minus 0, 1, 2. So take A at both sides. We get 2 times 0, 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Basically it's minus 1, 2, 0. So the answer is B. Right, so up to 43 is still simple enough. We can solve it in 1 minute. I will see you guys in the next video.